You can download a trading platform using two ways. The first way is to download it from the website mbs.com. Click Trading in the top menu and then choose the platform below the trading platform's inscription. The second way is to download the software from your personal area. After you log in, click Trading Platform button in the middle of your screen. MBS offers options for different operation systems, Windows, iOS and Android, as well as the web trader. For example, let's choose MT4 for Windows. Download the installation file and open it to begin the setup process. Click Run. Read the license agreement with MT4 Software Corp. And then tick that you agree with the terms. Click Next and another time Finish, then the download is over. In order to log in into your MT4, you will need trading account password given to you by MBS during your trading account registration. You can find this data in the registration email by MBS. Note that the initial password to your MT4 is viewable only within 24 hours after the registration. If you didn't save it, you can get a new password in your personal area. Click at the account number in the menu on the left, and then you will see the Create New Password option. Press Generate Password. Here you are, your new account password. Please don't forget to save this password this time. Once the program is launched, you'll see the login window. Firstly, you will need to choose your trading server. You can see that MBS has many trading servers. The number of your server is also in your account information. You can see how it is here, MBS Real 2. So we choose FBS Real 2 and press Further. We choose Existing Trade Account option here to fill login and password. So let's copy our login, which is your account number, and our trading password. Make sure that you have saved password tick in order not to log in the next time. Check your connection status in the lower right corner. If you see green and blue columns and the speed of your internet connection, it means that you are connected to the server and able to trade.